how are you? Today we are going to learn about skeleton system. A newborn children have more than 300 bones. Adult person have 206 bones. Now we will see type of bones in our body. Long bones are there, 90, short bones 28, and flat bones 36. Without skeleton system we can't sit, walk and run. Skeleton system also give our body shape. Now we will learn about parts of skeleton system. We will start with skull. In skull, total 22 bones are there, 8 flat bones and 14 facial bones. In our skull, nose and ears made up of cartilage. And in our skull, lower jaw is only movable. These facial bones protect major sense organs like ear, nose, tongue, and eye. Now we know about backbone. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones, which is called vertebra. Vertebra bones lie one on the top of the other, which makes them fit in each other. Each one of them has a big central hole, which makes a canal right from the bottom of the skull to the hip region where the backbone is. Now we will learn about rib cage. The rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of the long curved bones are called ribs. All the 12 pairs of ribs are joined at the back to backbone, and the first 10 pairs are joined in front of the breastbone. The last 2 pairs of ribs are free at the front and are called floating ribs. Rib cage protects heart and lungs from injuries. Now we will read about girdles. Our human body has 2 girdles, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle first we will read. The pectoral girdle is found in the upper part of our body. It forms shoulders and it's also known as shoulder girdle. Now we will read about pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is found in the hip region, pelvic, so it's also called the hip girdle. This is very strong and provides to fit in the thin bones. Besides bearing the weight of the whole body, this girdle provides protect to kidneys, urine bladder and the reproductive organ. Now we will learn about limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs in our body, forelimbs and hind limbs. One pair of limb is a pair of forelimbs or arm. There is only one bone in the upper arm. It fits the shoulder blade. There are 2 bones in the forearm. Wrist, palm, finger are made up of very small bones. The upper arm bone is called humerus. The another pair is a pair of hind limbs or legs. This thigh bone frames in the longest bone. This bone fits into the hip girdle. At the knee, it's connected to the other bone of the leg. The ankle and toes contain many small bones, just like a wrist and palm. Now I am going to tell you about joints. The bones are connected with one another by joints. A place where 2 bones meet is called joint. Joints are held together by strong tissue called ligaments. Ligaments are strong, elastic bonds. There are several joints in our body. The joint may be movable or immovable. Further, we are going to learn about movable and immovable joints. So let's begin. So first of all, we will learn about immovable joints or fixed joints. They are normally found in the area of skull, which is shown in the figure, where the structures, the coronal, rhomboid and squamoid, which I don't know what it pronounced, but these all structure are fixed joints. They doesn't move. As it is not movable means it is immovable joints. Now we will read about movable joints. The movable joints are connected with different kind of movement in our body. The joints at elbow, knee, shoulder are the movable joints and they allow all kind of movement. Movable joints are 4 different kinds: hinge joint, ball and shock joint, glit joints and pivot joint. Now we will read hinge joints. A joint which allow movement in only one direction is called hinge joints. It is like the hanging in a door. This joints is sit at the knee, elbow and finger. Now we will run ball and sock joints. The ball and sock joints always have free movement in all directions. The upper end of limb bones are round like a ball which fits well into the other bone, forming the socket on cup-like structure that enable the limb to move free in almost all direction. The hip region and shoulder joints have ball and sock joints. Rotating, spinning, billowing, etc. are the possible movements of ball and socket joints. Now we will learn about gliding joints. The gliding joints permit only a very slight movement. These joints helps to bend forward and backward and also to twist and turn. These joints are found between the two vertebrae in the backbone, wrist and ankle. Now friends, we will read about pivot joints. It is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae of spinal. It enables you to move your head from side to side and up and down. So friends, here we done our topic. So bye and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.